Well, there's something being delivered. It's the Ancestry DNA kit. Hello, Benjamin Coaton here again. As you've just seen, we've had a package, and it is the Ancestry DNA kit. So
a bit more close.
What I'm going to do is open this kit and go through all the different stages for you to watch of me testing my DNA through Ancestry.com and where I came from. So here we go. Opening the plastic wrapping. It's a cardboard box. Oh, there's a sticky bit there. There we are. And it says on a printed card, "Welcome to Ancestry DNA. Simply complete the following steps and let the discoveries begin. Number 1. Activate kit online. Safe and secure. Number 2. Gather DNA. Simple and safe." So, in here we have a few bits and pieces. And step 1. Activate kit online. Okay then, alright. Do not skip this step. You cannot get your results unless you activate your test. Go to ancestrydna.co.uk/activate. Alright, okay then. Then it says enter the 15-digit activation code from the collection tube. This code links your sample to you. It's the only way we can identify your sample. Without it, you can't get the results. Okay, so I need to write down my name and the activation code. Then, step 2, gather the DNA. Do not eat, drink, smoke or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. Fill the tube with saliva to the black line. Oh, okay then. Place the funnel with the cap. Tighten to release stabilising fluid. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. Place the tube in the collection bag and then mail your sample. And there are the instructions. How good is that? So what we'll do is we'll activate on ancestrydna.co.uk and we'll gather the DNA. Okay. Right, be back in a moment. Bye bye. We've gone onto the Ancestry website and activated the sample. So what we're going to do now is make the sample. So the instructions tell me to fill the sample bottle with saliva, then replace the funnel with the cap, then tighten the cap to release the stabilising fluid, then shake it for 5 seconds, place the sample in the bag, and then put the bag in the post. And that's what we'll be doing now. So I'm taking this backing off, taking out the bits. So we have 2 parts here. Here is the bottle and here is the cap. And I'm going to fill the sample with my saliva by spitting into the tube. Not the easiest thing to do really, because there's lots of bubbles. Nearly there. So I believe we are just about there. So we'll take the funnel off the top, replace with the cap, and that should release the liquid. That has released the liquid. As you can see, that's gone into that now, so we need to shake that now for 5 seconds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. So now we place it into the bag. Where's the bag? Here's the bag. And seal it over. And place into the box. There's another piece of sticky tape here. And we place that on there. And there we are. This is going to Dublin in Ireland. And there we are. Now we're going to go to the post office, to the post box, sorry. So here we are, and we're going to the post office. We've done the kit, it's all sealed up, and we're ready to go. Off we go! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Hello, here we are again, and we're going to post it. Say goodbye. Wait for the results. Bye-bye!